This is what am I doing right now. Time check. Time check. Tayo do this. 10 o'clock na. So, pinapanood ko lang yung edit ko para may ma-upload ako. So, what just happened today? Hindi naman ako nag-upload kahapon. Dahil ko, umpisahan ko na ulit. Nire-review ko lang yung in-edit ko. Cut lang, tapos add ng meme clips, and audio, and background music, and trim transitions. That's all. Smooth transitions sa mga yan, skills. Anong ginawa ko ngayon? Naglaba. Ayun, wala nang damit dyan. Tapos magulo na naman. Nag-ayos ako ng room kanina. Tapos nag-ayos ako sa labas. Mukhang malinis naman. Pakita ko mamaya. Ano ba? Lumabas kasi kinuha ko yung pinapabigay ng tita ko. Gutom ako ngayong araw. Di ko alam bakit. Kasi alas 2 na ako kumain. Alauna. Before 1 ako kumain din. Gutom ako kumain ako biskwit. Tapos nung lumabas ako, bumili ulit ako ng tinapay. Yung turong smalang yun, malupay pa sa tag 5. Kinain ko ngayon 6. Sobrang gutom ko, pati ngayon ako gutom ako. Kala bakit walang ata yung nakain ko.
Oh brother, this guy stinks. I hate the ladder. How did I mess up this ladder? Oh man.
Lagyan ko something ng pampaputol sa yung glitch. Okay na to. Tapakita ko sa inyo yung smooth na transition para sa akin. Part na to ang nagustuhan ko ng yung tuloy-tuloy na ng transition. Yan, cut yun. Hindi napansin, cut yun. May cut dito. Look at that. Para makita nyo pati yung cut. Diba? Putol. Try natin dito. Boom! Diba? May cut din doon. So dito siya, yung water, tapos merong nagpasabog ako dito. Diba? Hawak ko bazooka dito, tubig hawak ko dito eh. Yan, diba? Transition. Smooth transition kanya na naayusan na ako. Yaman na. So, yun lang. Nangyari, papakita ko lang yun sa labas. Export ko na rin ito. Raid 5 minutes and 24. That's all. So, pakita ko na yung sa labas bago ako mag-outro. The video again. Upload ko na rin yung dalawang video. Edit ko before matulog. Diba? Ang linis tignan. Pakat sa camera eh. Pero sa personal. Maganda. Upload ko lang ito. Then, we're goods in the hoods. Do this. Remove this thing. Remove. Then, paste. Tapos na mag-up. There. Tapos na mag-upload. Edit yung iba. Meron pa akong, oh my god, did I? Ito tayo, delete. Oh my goodness. 7. Oh no, pambukas na lang to. Saktong ano, create post. Then upload the video. Yung 7 na pala yan. My bad. Yeah. Arrange. I'll post this at Roblox Games. No, it's not made for kids. No. Ngayon ulit kasi ako nakapag stream or kahapon. I think kahapon ang last stream ko. Oh yeah, kahapon. Okay. Kaya ako na palitan yung name. Lux. Got lesser views. Damn, look at that. I got lesser views. How about this channel, man? Bagsak kasi tamad. How is this? Infiltrate. Let's save. I just save that thing. Just generate a random. Let's see this our channel. This channel, what is happening right now? Video is blocked from don't worry, be happy. I got 7 views for a random foam motor seat. Any comments? Help for review. Publish. There's 1 month ago. Epic unboxing. What is this? I don't understand. What is this? I think this is a German or Russian? English. Translation. The fight is beautiful and his dick is... What is... What do you mean? Hanapin nyo na sa videos ko yun kung ano yun. But you know, let's do the analytics. How much? Let's go views. How many subscribers are we? We are currently 46 subscribers. You know what? I'm gonna shout you all to all hear this. This is the only thing I can only see, the subscribers. There's only 5 that I can only see. Only includes users who have made their subscription public. Subscription them public. So, there's 5 of here. Ito nag-English. There's 5 of here na naka-public yung subscription nila, kaya nakikita ko rin itong naka-subscribe. So, nandito. So, shout out to all of you. Jesus Domingo Saperas, Beto Galvez, San Devon Cub, Kuya C, and Sasha TV, and Daniel Ongov. Damn, look at their subscribers, man. You know what? Let's check their their channels, I mean. That's currently 180. That's currently 180 subscribers. I think this is not a Filipino, man. Yeah, I think this is not a Filipino. How about this guy? Nope, don't view. Damn. No! Yeah. I don't know if this is a Filipino. Well, I just shout out them all. But well, just comment guys if you want to be shout out. We have currently 46 subscribers. There's something else here that says, how can I do this? Damn, you can get us earn on YouTube starting memberships. If you get 500 subscribers, then 3,000. Damn. How about ba't ako nag-English? So yun lang, edit ko na rin kasi ito pati yung isa, edit ko pa. So bukas ulit. Peace out guys, stay safe, stay awesome always, pray always. By the way, di ba na yung battle ko? Matagal na yung battle na to, ilang taon na rin. I mean, siguro. Kasi galing pa to sa mami ko, inuwi niya. Mas sanay pa rin ako sa paglagyan is plastic kasi mas trip yung temperature ng tubig. Room temperature. Kasi ito parang nag-maintain niya yung temperature nung ano. Kaya mas trip ko pa rin yung plastic. Iba yung lasa ng init eh. May parang nagpapasarap. Well, yun lang. Bukas ulit guys. Peace out. Edit ko pa to. Bye bye. Peace out. And God bless. And please like and subscribe kung gusto nyo lang. And comment kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout. Yun lang. Tara lang. Peace out. Ang aba na buko.